Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth and I am an alumnus from ISER TVM. Today we will be solving a question that appeared in the NISER entrance exam in the year 2024. In this question, we are given the variation of a force acting on an object with respect to its x position as is seen in this expression, and we are asked about the position versus momentum plot. So on the y-axis we need to plot its momentum, on the x-axis we need to plot its position. Now what do we know about force? We know that force is equal to rate of change of momentum from Newton's second law. Obviously we can rewrite this with respect to the position by the chain rule, that is dp by dx and dx by dt, which we know is the velocity of a object, velocity. Now since we only need to relate the position and the momentum, we can rewrite velocity in terms of momentum upon the mass of the objects, and from here we can set up a integral equation p into dp upon m obviously is equal to f into dt, which we can now integrate to find the expression of position with the momentum of the object. Integrating p with dp itself, we get p square by 2m on the LHS, and on the RHS we need to integrate minus 1 raised to power p. Keep in mind this p is different from the momentum p over here, just keep that in mind, into kx raised to n with respect to dx is what we need to integrate. Now since this entire term is a constant, it will get pulled outside the integral sign, and all we need to do is integrate x raised to power n with respect to dx, which we will get as minus 1 raised to power p, again this p is different, into k x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and don't forget the constant of integration c. Now this is an arbitrary constant, so its value of course doesn't matter, but this is how the position of the particle is dependent on the momentum. Now let's have a look at all the options. If we put p is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1, this expression becomes p square by 2m is equal to minus 1 times k into x raised to n is equal to 1, so 2 upon 2 plus c. Taking this term on the other side of the equation, we get plus k into x square by 2 is equal to constant of negation. Now we can clearly see this is the equation of an ellipse, so the first option A is correct. Now if we put p is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1, we get minus 1 raised to power 2, which is just 1, and n is equal to 1, we get x square. Now this is the equation of a hyperbola and not a parabola, so option B is incorrect. If we put p is 0, again minus 1 becomes just simply 1, and n is equal to 2, we do not get a circle, we actually get a third order expression which we cannot plot as of now. And if we set p is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2, again we are getting a third order expression and not the equation of hyperbola as the fourth option says. So out of all the options, only option A is the correct answer for this question. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel for more such content.